Today I'm going to be repairing this wobbly fence, and specifically this fence post. I have another fence post down here and another one behind me that is pretty solid, so this should be a relatively easy repair.
I started by removing the rocks and cutting back the weed barrier. With a 4-foot piece of rebar, we probed the ground to ensure we wouldn't hit any old concrete from the adjacent post. Yes, I called 811 prior to doing this.
Yeah, I think we would have hit it by then.
I then grabbed my electric earth auger to dig up a new post hole. This allowed me to easily reach about 2.5 feet.
It's about as close as I can get.
I then used a manual post hole digger to try and get another foot out, as we have a 3-foot frost line here. With the new 4x4 ground contact post set into the hole, I used 6-inch headlock screws to go through the new post and secure it to the old post behind the fence pickets.
So like right there, and just try to eyeball it so you get it as straight as you can.
Let it pull.
With the 6 screws in the fence, the wobble instantly went away. To fill the post hole, I'll be using this expanding post hole foam to fill the hole. Per instructions, roll the bag until the seal pops. Mix the contents for 15 seconds, then cut the bag and quickly pour into the hole. Now the foam takes about 5 to 10 minutes to fully expand and a few hours before I can cover it up. This wobbly fence repair took only about 30 minutes of labor and will buy me a few more years till I can eventually replace the entire fence.